probably gonna say something really retarded for sure.
Chris. A few moments later.
Tommy, not Tom. Fuck me. God.
Tommy.
Fuck. Damn it.
Nash said, Tom, no, fuck me.
Alright, oh for fuck's no, I
And he recorded it. Put that in your video, please.
I don't. See you, bitch.
Please. Let him do it.
Tom, fuck me.
I'm gay, I'm really gay, I'm...
Ew.
Wow, now you're making it racist. Oi, Tomo!
No, shut up. Wait. Tom! You know how I sent you the voice message? Name
Message.
Message Nash.
Yeah.
And Liam just recorded that, didn't he?
Yeah,
Yes.
you did.
Oh my god.
Wait.
No, I knew they would be in there. Oh, they're camping in that building. Man. I knew it. I knew they would be.
What the fuck? He's laying there.
Liam, no! Oh, how they would be safe.
How do I get here? Oh, what the fuck, man? Come
Oh, the
on!
clutch! No! Careful. Then get ready.
Bastard.
What the hell?
That was the maddest thing I've probably done.
Oh!
What happened last game? I was just fucking mid-air. Somehow I'm like,
Oh, Chris, for fuck's sake.
oh, fuck that.
Bro, this kid's fucking retarded.
I forgot, man. Fuck you. Alright?
What, 3 games in a row, yeah? Oh, no, watch out!
Oh my god, you
I'm
dickhead.
insta swap and I fail.
You're a fucking spastic.
9. 10 jack.
Oh my god.
Oh my
god.
god.
Again, man! Chris, just kill yourself.
Not in game, real life.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Really? Tom. What were you fucking looking at?
I was laying down.
Oh, look at that guy over there. Fuck, he looks fucking great, eh? He's in great shape. Fucking, there's Liam too.
Again,
Oh my
Chris!
God, Chris.
I changed fucking teams!
Bro, all this
Oh my
kid does is
God,
fucking
man.
talk and he doesn't change.
I
This
changed
food
fucking
looks
teams!
yuck.
This is
What is
bullshit.
He's
No,
going
you're not
back to
taking me
the
alive.
same spot where he was, yeah.
This better fucking work.
Switching sides.
Swear to God. You fucked up again.
Oh my
Yeah, you fucking
God,
I'm gonna kill myself.
Chris.
I change teams every fucking time and this shit happens. Fuck, I'm gonna kill myself.
Our reputation is our best deterrent. Excellent work.
Crush the opposition.
Good job, CDP. Do it again and let's go home. Crushed them. Maintain your momentum in the next round.
Oh!
He's been built
Wait,
twice.
record that. Record that. That wasn't that bad. It was just a barrel on a setup key.
Oh shit!
That was the best.
Finish the objectives.
Oh, I'm actually happy.
TACCOM. Care package on my mark.
Supplies drop exiting AO.
I don't think so.